What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG Models Air Canada Jetz all black A320. Really excited to have this model. Interestingly enough, I don't actually have any Air Canada A320s in my fleet yet. And for whatever reason, neither NG Models or Gemini Jets or anybody for that matter has really done an actual Air Canada 320 or 19 just in the regular livery anytime in recent history. But it's interesting because as soon as this aircraft got painted in this all black and became this sort of new Jetz plane, here we have it, released by NG, first thing. So yeah, anyway, here's the box. This, as I say, is the new sort of the new Air Canada like Jetz plane. They used to have the 319s in the old livery, like the toothpaste livery, people call it, with like Air Canada Jetz. It was in the old livery. But most of the 319s have gone, or they ended up going back into service just with Air Canada as regular passenger aircraft, not charter aircraft. So this 320 has now become the sort of charter aircraft for various Canadian teams and whatnot. So pretty interesting, and now it's obviously become this all black livery, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, here we have it. Registration's Charlie dash Foxtrot November Victor Victor. Yeah, there's the box. I like the design. But as I say, yeah, it's kind of interesting that neither NG or Gemini Jets, not that I would get the Gemini Jets version of it, but no one's really released, actually Gemini just did do a version of this, but no one's done just a regular like new livery Air Canada 320 or in even the old livery, which is kind of sad because, there's the card, nice. That would be real nice to have. And interestingly enough, at time making this video, I've seen that, well, I'm sure many of you know that Air Canada in the past was supposed to have been getting rid of their 319s and 20s. It turns out they're not, and they're actually getting more. I just saw recently that Air Canada acquired, I guess, leased another 320, an X version America 320. So I guess they still need plenty of planes, and they're not getting rid of them fully. So that's interesting. But yeah, here we go. We have the aircraft. Looking really nice. Go ahead and put that off to the side. Wow, this looks fantastic. There's like some... It's almost like grease on it. Weird. Anyway, let's take a look here at the actual aircraft. So yeah, here we have it. The good old Air Canada all black Jetz aircraft now. Great detail by NG Models on this with the Star Alliance logo there. L1 door, the gear and the nose overall is fantastic. Got the antenna at the top. Everything's looking really nice. The little Air Canada maple leaf symbol. Obviously Air Canada titles. The difference is too with this is it doesn't have jets, which I think is pretty interesting. But it's obviously all black, and that's kind of what distinguishes it from the rest. So here you have the engines, the CFMs, looking really nice. You got the overwing exit markings and the wing, very nice and detailed. Looking fantastic. Overwing exit there too. Looking great all along, got the more details and everything. Canadian flag and the registration there. Airbus A320-200 underneath there too, and the L2 door there. And then the back, obviously the black tail with the tail number, I think it's 416, it looks like, and then the maple leaf, classic Air Canada maple leaf. Yeah, so very nice looking aircraft. Taking a look at it, nose on. Looking very nice, looking very sharp, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Like, there's like it almost looks like it's not tarnished. It just looks, I don't know what it is. There's like, I don't know, it's almost like there's dirty fingerprints, or like, it's not oil, I don't know what it is, but there's something like on it. You can kind of see it all on there. It's really weird. It's like a grease or something. I don't know if it'll come off. I'm just trying to see. No, it just looks like someone was handling, whoever was making it was just handling it like either with dirty gloves or fingers or something, and it looks like it's just kind of, I wouldn't say stained, but it's just left the mark on the aircraft, which is really weird. But anyway, the cargo door is down here somewhere, as well as the at the back, and yeah, everything else is the same on this side in terms of details and whatnot. We'll take a look at the top-down view. That's the top-down. And then the bottom, you have the maple leaf at the bottom there and everything. It's looking really nice. Overall, a fantastic model. Very excited to have this. Again, I'm really hoping for just a regular Air Canada 320 in the new livery. Even in the old would be great to have, because we just haven't had one. Same with the 319 would be real nice. Not sure what anyone's waiting for. You know, if they release this, can we get the new livery 320 or 19, please? That would be fantastic. But yeah, anyways, I'm happy to have this, and hope you guys have enjoyed getting this too. I know I'm pretty behind on some of these models that have been out for a little bit, but anyway, here's my take on it, and I think it looks great. Highly recommend if you haven't already got it. And yeah, so anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that, guys, I will see you in the next one. Take care.